Stop by and take a look at the 2015 Jeep Cherokee. The Jeep Cherokee offers superior off-road capability. This makes the Cherokee a fine choice for families who venture off-road or vacation in the mountains or other remote areas. This vehicle has less than 65,000 miles. Here are some of this vehicle's great options: backup camera, anti-lock braking system, steering wheel audio controls, traction control, stability control, keyless entry, leather-wrapped steering wheel, Bluetooth, adjustable steering wheel, power steering, four-wheel drive, aluminum wheels, floor mats, cruise control, four-wheel disc brakes, rear defrost, AM/FM stereo radio, fog lamps, MP3 player. If you like it online, you'll love it in your driveway. Take it for a spin today.